Nobody tells you this, but AMD's Ryzen 7000 series became the most expensive budget mistake in PC building history. Watch what happens when I tried building 3 gaming PCs for my boys using the new Ryzen 5 7600X. The crushing reality hit immediately. AMD eliminated DDR4 support entirely, forcing expensive DDR5 memory that doubled my build costs. My planned $800 family builds became $1,200 nightmares when factoring mandatory DDR5 and AM5 motherboard costs. Here's the shocking truth from my benchmark testing. The Ryzen 5 7600X with expensive DDR5 only delivered 12% better performance than the older Ryzen 5 5600X with budget DDR4, despite costing 60% more. I tracked DDR5 prices for 18 months and saw minimal drops. Using military cost-effectiveness analysis principles, the math proves Ryzen 5000 series remains the sweet spot for budget family builds. After testing popular family games across both platforms, the performance difference barely matters for kids gaming, but the wallet impact definitely does. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content that will save you money and your build.